In this video, I'm talking about the importance of minimum mobilizations within your business. I'm also talking about what my current minimum mobilization is at the moment, and if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to show you what's inside of my striping trailer. But before we get into that, if you guys are interested in learning more about striping, how to get customers, marketing packs, legal packs, and much more, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description. All right, let's go. In this video, I am talking about minimum mobilizations. Now, this is a concept that is very hard for a lot of business owners and property owners that you service to understand, because a lot of people that you're going to work with have the mindset of calculating how long it's going to take you to do the job as opposed to a mobilization charge. And I'm on site right now. We just finished up with a very small job. Usually, my minimum mobilization is $750. Just to break the trailer out, it doesn't matter if there's 2 lines or 10 lines. We have a minimum mobilization of $750. It used to not be that way, because whenever I first started, I just wanted to get whatever business that I could. Well, a couple years ago, I worked at Raising Cane's. The manager that was there became the area director of all the scooters in the state. And that is where we're at right now, which is Scooters Coffee. Wasn't a big job at all. 1 access aisle, 1 handicap symbol, and 2 lines. Since they do have a lot of properties that are close by in the city, I charged a minimum mobilization of this project for $375. It took us 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, I made $375. Not too bad for a 30-minute job. They've got these locations all over the city. That's the reason why I lowered my mobilization charge for this small job, because it's not going to be that difficult to drive 3.5 miles down the road to get to the next one. So when you're just getting started, I would not set my minimum mobilization prices to be too high, because you might miss out on a lot of work. Now we have the social proof to leverage our existing customer base to show the future potential customers that reach out to us that our service is worth what we charge, even if it's a small job like this. Now what I'm going to do is flip you around and show you the inside of the striping trailer and give an explanation of why it's good to have a minimum mobilization. Let me turn you around. Okay. All right. The reason why it's good to have a minimum mobilization is because this equipment costs money. We did this job with the Graco 3400. Not a big job, so I just broke it out. You can see I've worn her out real good, but this insures for about $6,000. The Graco 3900, which is in the front of the trailer, we just picked that up the other day for about $8,000. So, in this trailer is about $3,000. That means that we have about $16,000 to $17,000 worth of equipment in this trailer, not including the truck and not including the cost that it takes for me to come out and to hire someone else for an hour. So when you have equipment, when you have insurance, when you have people that work for you, there has to be a justification by which you got to pull out of the driveway. Because if we calculated this job by linear feet, which is 2 lines and then an access aisle, 1 handicap symbol, we're looking at maybe $30 max. If you calculate it off of linear foot on a restripe. So having a minimum mobilization charge for your business is absolutely necessary. On smaller jobs like this, it's going to be a minimum mobilization. The bigger the project, the more you're prone to calculate it off of a linear feet type measurement. Anyways, guys, be sure to include a minimum mobilization charge whenever you come out on these jobs, because if you get in a car wreck, somebody hits you, whatever the case may be, it's not worth pulling out of the driveway for $50. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.